Amazing two-story with every upgrade. This beauty shows like new construction. Open concept and bright floor plan features large windows with custom shades, chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and full granite. The generous main-level living room has a gas fireplace with built-ins, upgraded trim, doors and cabinets throughout, main-level office, and more. Upstairs there are 4 generous bedrooms including a luxury master suite with large walk-in shower and over 250 square feet of closet space. The second level also includes a stunning family room and a large laundry room with top-end washer and dryer. The new lower level is completely finished and features an amazing bar with built-ins and granite counters, media room and spacious game room with large windows for extra light. Wait till you see the finishes on this level, one will fall in love with the stone 8-foot gas fireplace. This level also has a larger bedroom and a 3/4 bathroom with a tile shower. The exterior and backyard is amazing. The large maintenance-free deck with a staircase leads to a paver patio with a gas fireplace and built-in seating. The deck and patio overlooks the beautiful preserve. Don't miss out, this stunning home will impress the fussiest of buyers. Better than new construction. A true 10+.